So sometimes you're going to be working with a very large data set. And in this case, if I scroll down, I can show you that there are more than 20,000, or in this, actually there are 20,000 data points. One here is because of our header at the top. So we have 20,000 pieces of data in rows, right? Full of data. And we want to add 1,000 more. Well, do I really want to go through here and scroll through and trust that that's the first empty blank and then I'm not actually going to cover up somebody else's data along the way by accident? Or maybe another person in the class is trying to add data at the same time as me and they happen to click on this same box and they try to copy and paste and we end up copying and pasting over each other's data. That's no good because we lose data that way. So I'm going to show you the most efficient way to add a large amount of data to a set of data that's already very large while you're collaborating with other people so that you don't accidentally lose any of your data. What you're going to do is click on File, and you want to import more data. And we've done this before. I happen to know that my data set that I want to add is called Query 9, so I'm going to add that in there. I'm going to do the search for it, and then we see this window which pops up. This time we're going to choose Append to Current Sheet. And when I do that, we'll keep everything the same as before. When I click Import Data, it'll import the data straight into the sheet. Now, I just want to double check and prove to you that the data did go in, okay? And before we had 20,000 data points, and at this point now we have 21,002 data points. So we've added all of that additional data in to our data set without writing over anybody else's data and while saving time for not having to scroll through and find the next empty slot.